My dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see an window installation error. I have inserted Windows boot flash drive. Let us see what is the error. Now the installation is starting. It's a very simple error. Now we can select, if you want to change the language, we can change the language. Then after that, install now. Setup is starting. Now we are going to select Windows 10 Pro OEM. After that, you can select the option next. This is the normal Windows installation. Main error now we are going to see. You can select the agreement. After that, custom. You can see this is the error. We can see it's in drive 0 volume 238 GB and it's in dynamic, and the delete format new all are disabled, and this is the error. Windows cannot be installed on the disk. The selected disk as an MBR partition table on EFI system. Windows can only be installed to GPT disk. So we are going to convert the drive from dynamic, that means to GPT. For that we have to select shift and F10. That arrow mark key also shift, and here we are going to press this button both. This keyboard it's not means it's not supporting, so we are going to add the external keyboard. I have here the external keyboard. Let me connect the flash USB of this external keyboard, because in this Microsoft Surface, this laptop is Microsoft Surface. In this have only one USB slot. Let me connect the external keyboard. In this we can press shift and F10. You can see the screen appear. In this screen now we are going to this keyboard is not working, so in the external keyboard itself we are going to type disk part. Type disk part. You can see here the command. After that, hit enter. In this we are going to type list disk. What in this means the storage capacity, it will be listed below. And say disk 0 volume 1 238 GB it's available, means 256 GB, and we are going to select this disk. So type the command select disk 0 and hit enter. Now the disk 0 is selected, and next command we are going to type clean, means clean this drive. Hit enter. The disk part succeeded in cleaning. Now again we are going to type the command convert to GPT. Convert GPT. Hit enter. Now disk part successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format. Now exit this command. After that we can close the screen. Let me close the screen and just retry the screen, refresh or retry. We can close this one and come back, and we can select it, install again, and the drive it's not showing, so we have to restart the laptop. I'm going to power off this laptop. Now again we are going to switch it on. Couldn't find bootable operating system. There is only one USB slot, as I said before. I connected the external keyboard. Let me connect the bootable flash drive and restart it again. This is the BIOS of this Microsoft Surface Pro. The first option is USB storage. we can exit and restart this laptop. Now we can select it again, same what we done before. Install now. Same Windows 10 OEMs. Next, accept the license. Next, custom. Now the drive is enabled, 256 GB. Next, apply. Can see now the installation is very easy. So this is how to solve this issue. It's a very easy and simple method. If you like the video, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you.